Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Chevy Cruze oil. First, let's get organized. You'll need a few key items: a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a reliable drain pan. Don't forget your new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Most importantly, always put safety first. Use jack stands to secure your vehicle and wear gloves to protect your hands. Now, let's get that old oil out. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Use your wrench to remove it, letting all the old, dirty oil flow into your drain pan. Make sure every drop is out before you replace the drain plug. Tighten it securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Remove the old oil filter, then install your new one, ensuring it's hand-tightened. Next, pour in the correct type and amount of fresh engine oil, typically around 4 to 5 quarts for a Cruze. After adding, use the dipstick to check the oil level, making sure it's within the recommended range. You're almost done. Start your engine for a minute or two, then turn it off and check for any leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. If everything looks good, the final step is to reset your Chevy Cruze oil life monitor. This ensures your vehicle accurately tracks its next service interval. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping up with regular oil changes is crucial for your car's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.